I'm John Champion, and sitting alongside me up here in our lofty perch in the commentary box is Jim Beglin.
Hi John, hi everyone. I'm really looking forward to this match.
The pass needed to be better there. Referee in a good position to give the free kick. No, that wasn't the best of passes. A fine display of slick passing. Could be a chance now. There's a possibility here for a shot. That never really looked on target. Cuts it out. Throw in. Slides it through. There's a shooting opportunity here. And he'll drive it here. This is very pleasing on the eye. Going for goal. Just wasn't able to keep it down.
Well, you have to say there was an awful lot of power in that shot. It flew over the bar, but it was a very good effort nonetheless.
It's an opportunity. He's found space. A chance. The post in the way. And the ball goes into touch deep in opposition territory. Driven in. Oh,
it's a goal.
That is fabulous. Sensational goal. That could turn out to be a big, big goal. Great goal that. Great team goal, in fact.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
Are the first to strike, Manchester United.
Oh, listen, that's always the best way to quieten a noisy crowd. Just stick the ball in the back of the net.
He's got in. He's making a good run here. This is lovely passing to watch. Possibility here. He scores! They've added another in a matter of minutes. What can you say about that finish?
Well, he's done really well to collect that pass and get the goal. That's really good stuff.
So it's now 2 without reply.
Well, at 1-0 this game was very much in the balance, but at 2-0 they ought to be able to defend this lead from here.
Midway through this first half, and play has settled into a nice pattern. Plays this forward. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? And the cross repelled.
Oh look, they've got to show cooler heads. By giving it away, they're just inviting more danger.
Chance! Picked off there. Knocks it long. Oh, flag up. Just offside then. He'd straight off the last man. The referee's assistant pretty alert.
I just thought he got too impatient then. It was the right move, but he's got to keep himself on the right side.
This is lovely passing to watch. Crowd just waiting for the half-time whistle. Maybe a chance before that whistle, though. A shot! Just off target.
Oh, listen, to come that close is a really, really good attempt, and judging by the crowd's reaction, they thought he'd done enough too.
A shot! Pushed away. That stopped the danger. Still with the ball. It's clear. And there's the end to the first 45.
Well, when you're this confident in possession, sometimes you can just get a little bit complacent with it, but that's not the case here at all. They're knocking the ball about with great aplomb.
It's a lead, but not a decisive one. 2-0 the score. Cleared away. Intercepted. Tries to slide it past the defence. It's a good hit!
Well, they need a lot more urgency in that area.
Intercepted. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Good run down the side. Now, what next? Pressure on the opposition now. The throw in a dangerous area. He can take the shot on here, and a goal! They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
So it's 3-0 now. Now, he's looking to play it into the channel. No, it's been picked off. Chance for a counter then. An illegal challenge, says the ref. Manchester United have this free kick. This is very pleasing on the eye. It's on for him. No, that's not going to make it. Foul there, free kick given. Pass cut out. Space on the flank. Now he crosses into the centre, and the cross cleared away. Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. It went over the goal line, so goal kick here. Looking to thread it through. It's through. Now he's ready for a shot. Well struck. Not on this occasion.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Got it. No, it was cut out. A fine display of slick passing. Shoots here. Oh, that should have been their fourth.
Well, setting the chance up was cleverly done, but he just needed to be a bit more clinical.
He has a go. There it is. Riveting, ruthless, relentless. It's incredible how he managed to steer that one in.
Yeah, I'm not sure he saw a gap there or was just a bit lucky to find it, but he just shouldn't have been allowed the room to shoot in the first place.
Surely they're well and truly out of sight now. "85 minutes played." Well cleared. And he plays it to the keeper. And there is the final whistle. They have done it. They win today to be crowned league champions. All the players, the manager, the backroom staff, the tea lady, most importantly, of course, the fans, absolutely delighted. It's their day, their season, and their title. Their domination throughout the campaign has brooked no argument. They are deserving champions.
Well, this is what dreams are made of. They would have been a little nervous before this game, but their experience and professionalism over the course has shown through. Worthy